Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show what to do if your iPhone hotspot keeps turning off for no reason. The most effective way to prevent the hotspot from turning off is to enable it using Siri instead of the Settings app. I know this sounds strange, but for some reason, if you say, "Hey Siri, turn on mobile hotspot," it stays on until you manually turn it off. So, be sure to try this first. Next, go to the Settings app. Here, tap on Personal Hotspot. Then, enable this Maximize Compatibility option. Another thing you need to do is ensure your iPhone is not configured to save power. To do this, open the Settings app and tap on Battery. Here, turn off Low Power Mode. Now, return to the Settings app and tap on Mobile Data. Here, scroll down to find Wi-Fi Assist. Then, turn it off. Sometimes, your iPhone might also turn off hotspot on its own if the screen is off. To prevent that, go to Display and Brightness in the Settings app. Here, tap on Auto Lock. Now, select 5 minutes or never so that the hotspot doesn't turn off. If nothing works, your last option is to reset network settings. To do this, go to the General menu. Here, scroll down to tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then, tap Reset at the bottom. Finally, select Reset Network Settings and follow the on-screen prompts to finish the process. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.